How to earn money online. Here are a few ways to earn money online. Online freelancing. Offer your services, such as writing, editing, graphic design, or programming, to clients on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Selling products online. Create or source products to sell on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your website. Online tutoring. Offer your expertise and teach others through platforms like Chegg or VibeKid. Online surveys. Share your opinion on products and services and get paid for it through survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Taluna. Online advertisements. Place ads on your website or blog and earn money from the clicks or impressions. Online trading and investing. You can invest in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies and earn money through trading or holding investments. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future updates.